need the Lord to help us. Y'all pray for me. I haven't been able to sleep the last 3 days. Mama's sick now. And before she went in surgery, the last thing she told me, she said, pray for me, James. And that's all I've been doing. Those of you that know that God can work miracles, I just need you to stretch out. Mama told me today, she said, Mom, I said, Mom, how sick are you? She said, I got a lot of problems right now, James. But it ain't nothing too hard for God to handle. I said, Mama, this ain't the time to lose you. But I believe God. Y'all just pray for my family. But while I'm here, this is what I'm going to say. The times like these,